Hello everyone, today I will explain the step in installing Windows 10 English International using the Rufus application on the laptop you want to install. Let's just go ahead and see the step I have made. Uh, for the first thing we do is make Windows 10 boot with the Rufus application by clicking select right here and using the prestige by clicking the down arrow on the device as above flash, and we just click start and wait for the process. Next, we just have to wait for the boot process until the status section says ready, which means it's finished, and we just have to click close. Okay, next, uh, there are several ways to open the BIOS on the laptop by clicking F1, F12, BSG, and other, and we just have to set the boot priority to the flash disk that has been used as booting and select save and quick to restart the laptop, then go straight to booting Windows 10. In this view, we select the default language, namely English United Kingdom, then we click next. Uh, then we click install now in this section. Because we don't have the product key, so we just click I don't have product key right here. In this section, I choose the version of Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, then we click next. In this section, we check I accept the license terms, then we click next. In the installation type, we select custom to divide the hard disk partition we have into two parts. The first is local disk C as a place for Windows, and local disk D as a place to store the author file. Next. In this section, we click new and fill in the first partition of 500 GB and apply. Then the second partition, we click new and just apply. Just apply because we just split the two partition, and then we click next on the right here. In this section, we just have to wait for the Windows installation to occur. Next. After the installation is complete, then the laptop will auto restart, and we just have to wait a while until the Windows Assistant or panel appear as follows. At this time, the introduction of Windows 10 is happening, and we just need to go next or skip it. In this section, we click yes for the default region language. In the keyboard layout section, we also select the default, namely United Kingdom, then we click yes. Here, I gave the name on my laptop, namely user PC, then we next. Here, I don't use Cortana as a personal assistant on my laptop, so I choose no. Like here, on this screen is a last part of the introduction of Windows 10, and wait a few moments. And we are done installing Windows 10. Then finally we will see the hard drive that we have versioned. This has been divided into two. This the hard drive we have partition. Uh, Thank you for watching. Apologize if there an error in delivering the presentation. I'm so sorry, and bye bye. See you next time.